Hello friends, in today's video we are diving into the world of WWE to explore some of the most talented black wrestlers and their spouses. We will reveal their names, ages and the age gaps between these power couples. So stay tuned for this exciting breakdown. Let's get started. Number 1. Montez Ford. Montez Ford is 34 years old in 2025. His wife's name is Bianca Pilar and she is 35 years old. There is a 1-year age gap between them. Number 2. Angelo Dawkins. As of today, Angelo Dawkins is 34 years old as of 2025, while his wife Grace Busso is also 34, making them a perfectly matched duo with no age gap. Number 3. Jimmy Uso. Currently, Jimmy Uso is 39 years old, while his spouse Naomi is 37 years old. The 2-year age difference adds a unique balance to their relationship. Number 4. R-Truth. R-Truth, a true veteran in the ring, is 53 years old. His wife Pamela Kling's age is 38, marking a 15-year gap between them. Number 5. Booker T. Booker T has reached 60 years old, while his better half Sharmell Sullivan is 54 years old. Their 6-year age difference has never stood in the way of their strong partnership. Number 6. Mark Henry. As of today, Mark Henry is 53 and his wife Chana Henry age is 40 years. This 13-year gap shows that love knows no boundaries. Number 7. Kofi Kingston. At 43 years old, Kofi Kingston continues to thrive, while his significant other, Corey Complified, is 42 years old. The 1-year difference keeps them close in life's journey. Number 8. Bobby Lashley. Bobby Lashley is 48 years old and remains a powerhouse in every sense. His partner's name is Crystal Marshall and she is 41, making for a 7-year age gap. Number 9. Carmelo Hayes. As of today, Carmelo Hayes is 30, while his beloved Kalani Jordan is 26. The 4-year age difference adds charm to their relationship. Number 10. Omos. Omos, currently aged 30 years old, towers over the competition, and his wife Cheyenne Qualley is 31 years old, with just a 1-year age gap between them. Number 11. Keith Lee. Currently, Keith Lee is 40 in 2025, while his life partner Mia Yim is 35 years old. Their 5-year age gap only strengthens their bond. Number 12. Ricochet. Ricochet, known for his high-flying moves, is 36 years old. Just like his spouse Samantha Irvin, with no age gap, they are a perfect match. Number 13. Apollo Crews. As of today, Apollo Crews is 37, while his wife Linda Palanin is 35 years old. A 2-year age difference adds to their dynamic. Number 14. Chad Cargill. Chad Cargill is standing strong at 32 years old, is married to Brandon Flip, who is 43 years old. Their 11-year age gap is just a number. Number 15. Cedric Alexander. Cedric Alexander and his partner Big Sol are both 35. With no age gap, their connection remains seamless. Number 16. Titus O'Neil. Titus O'Neil, currently 47 years old, is married to Pollard, who is 37. Their 10-year gap adds balance to their relationship. Number 17. Big E. Big E is 39 years old, while his life companion Erica Evan is 42 years old. Their 3-year age difference blends well in their journey. Number 18. Ember Moon. As of today, Ember Moon is 36 and her husband Matthew Palmer is 39 years old. Their 3-year age gap keeps things interesting. Number 19. The Boogeyman. At 60 years old, the Boogeyman remains as intense as ever. His partner Melissa George is 48 and they have a 12-year difference. Number 20. Xavier Woods. Xavier Woods is 38 years old, while his beloved Chaz Weston is 31 years old. Their 7-year age gap adds depth to their bond. Number 21. Cameron. As of today, Cameron is 37 and her husband Daniel Vidot is 35 years old. Their 2-year gap is just another part of their journey together. Number 22. Devon Dudley. Devon Dudley, now at 52 years old, is with his wife Taylor Hughes, who is 36 years old. Their 16-year gap proves that love has no limits. Number 24. Chaz. Chaz, at 51 years old, shares life with Rodney Becknott, who is 54 years old. Their 3-year gap is just a minor detail in their story. Number 25. Sasha Banks. As of today, Sasha Banks is 33 and her husband Sarah Thorne is 41 years old. Their 8-year gap only strengthens their connection. Number 26. The Rock. The Rock, a legend at 52 years old, is married to Lorraine Hessian, who is 40 years old. Their 12-year age gap is just another chapter in their journey. Number 27. Solo Sikoa. Solo Sikoa, at 32 years old, and his partner Almia Williams are the same age. No gap here, just a strong connection. Number 28. Jason Jordan. Currently, Jason Jordan is 36, while his wife April Elizabeth is 32 years old. Their 4-year difference keeps things balanced. Number 29. MVP. MVP, now 51 years old, is married to Tasha Mary, who is 45 years old. Their 6-year age gap is just part of their life. Number 30. Brandy Rhodes. As of today, Brandy Rhodes is 41, while her husband Cody Rhodes is 39 years old. Their 2-year gap is a minor detail in their strong relationship. And that wraps up our look at WWE's black wrestlers and their spouses. We have explored their names, ages, and the interesting age gaps between these power couples. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison for more exciting WWE content. See you in the next one.